So hello and welcome back to my channel. In this video I will share with you how to delete a repository from your GitHub account. So I have already opened my GitHub account and here you will see the repositories that I have already created. To delete a repository, so you can click on your profile icon and here you will see your profile and your repositories. I want to delete a repository, so here I will click on your profile. When I click on my profile, here I will get all my repositories. So now I want to delete a repository. Here you can click on any repository that you want to delete. I want to delete this repository, so I will click here and it will open. So here the time to delete this repository. So you can click on setting option and now go to the bottom of this screen. When you come in the bottom, you will get danger zone here, and here you will get the option of delete this repository. Click on delete this repository, and again I want to delete this repository. Click on this option and here you will get this option and you can click on I have read and understand these effects. And in the last option they want to ask to you that you can type these all text that is in the semicolons. Okay, you can type all the text. Here I have typed all the text that is in the semicolons. So here you will get the option delete this repository. So click on this and you can type the password of your GitHub account. After typing the password, you can click on confirm and your repository has been deleted from your GitHub account. So this is the simple way to delete a repository from your GitHub account. So hopefully you got the information from this video, and like and subscribe this channel, and we will meet soon.